Color the egg. Here, I'll give you more colors. Here. Pink. And yellow. Here, color. Mommy show you. Mommy helps you. Here, go like this. Look. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, did she crack it? Oh well. She didn't, but even if she did. Look at this one. It has Kyla on it.
Mama.
Some funky colors. Oh, look at this one. Did you just crack it? You want to put this one in?
Put it in.
Okay. Let's make more. Circles. 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 Okay, ready to put it in? You want to put it in here? Good job. Stir it. Okay, all done. Let's do another one next. Next one.
Kyla, wave.
Let's make, what name should we make? Tutu? Tutu, okay. And then we do Tata and Grandma. We make Tutu, and then we make a flower. Make flower for Tutu. Flower. And then what else? We draw stars. You want to put it in? Okay. Here, you put it in here. You put it in. Here, grab the egg. No, grab the egg and put it in. Here, you put it in here.
It's not to drink, Kyla.
Here, move it around.
It's not to drink. Stir, stir, stir.
You're so puppy. Okay, all done. Next one. Good job.
Clap your hands, yay!